Success means helping all Mizzou students access world-class learning opportunities in and out of the classroom. For many, their student success stories began with a scholarship or could have ended without one.
Just thinking through just what I had to go through, and then you're walking out and you're seeing like other students that probably went through the same thing. I was having a tough sophomore year. My mom ended up losing her job, and pretty much any money I had at college, I sent home to my mom. When I got the VACE scholarship and got a bit into that program, that helped me, pay my rent. I wasn't as stressed. I wasn't worried about getting evicted anymore. It came at the best time possible.
Each Tiger Paw represents a Mizzou student who received a scholarship created during this campaign. That's 3,107 lives changed.
Those Tiger Paws represent, what I went through as a student.
John knew the impact of giving back, which is why he helped fund a scholarship after graduating.
If you were to ask freshman year me or sophomore year me, would that be me doing it? Would I be giving someone else a scholarship? Would I be changing someone's life? I would probably not believe you. It's the driving force behind, a lot of people's lives. It's overwhelming. It's an indescribable feeling.